Yesterday, Nifty closed above 25,000, which is a good milestone to achieve. And today again, we remain bullish on Nifty. So the support will come in at 24,960 levels, and the resistance is at 25,060 levels. So either we go long on a pullback to 24,955, or we go long after a gap up open if it is so, and it will encounter some resistance at 25,060 and make a consolidation pattern before breaking out before the target of 25,137 and 25,185. On the downside, if 24,955 fails to hold, we might see a sharp correction to 24,880 and 24,808. So that's the lower end that we're looking at for today. So I'll see you live in live meeting. Thank you very much. Bye bye.